everyone, I've got an exciting haul of Korean nail products from several different stores today. Don't mind my crusty, dusty, musty nails. They're getting done right after this. The first package is from Hae Nails. They're a company based in Miami, Florida, and they are the only US-based store that I could find that actually had the ISME resin products in stock. So I got the Resin 99.9 Fast version and the Easy Builder Gel. These are some of the top of the line gel products for structured gel manicures. Next, I have a cuticle remover from Ablitz, as well as the A-Fing sponge picker, which is really similar to the Myth Millow milk sponge and easy picker tool. So it's actually just made for picking up these tiny little sponges, which are called the A-Pong sponges. And you use them for things like blush nails or ombre. So that was everything from Hae Nails. I mainly shopped for the ISME products, but I couldn't help myself. Next is a big order from DANJI Nail. DANJI Nail is a nail product supplier based right in Seoul, straight from the source. Their shipping was super fast, like 6 days or less. And they send a thorough invoice and they provide an MSDS for some of their products as well. So first here we've got the Ivy Fix Gel and Crazy Top Gel from Jinbee. I haven't tried the Fix Gel yet, but I love the Jinbee Crazy Top. It's the best top coat for overlay. And we have the Dakjima Gel from Kenzico, which is a non-wipe gel for nuanced nails and chrome pieces. So in this little baggie are some smaller items. First is the Macaron Baby Confetti and the Terrazzo Shell from Bonnie B. And these are 2 Terrazzo Sand Confettis as well from Bonnie B. Here I just have some stickers of houndstooth as well as some gold and silver stars and Ururu sheets for Aurora ice nails. Now you guys know how I love my 3D art gels, so I bought some basic colors of Deco Tube gels. I got white, black, and flower pink. As you can see, the white is a nice milky color, perfect for spring nails. I also got a black glitter chewing gel from Sarah Friends, which is a clear gel with black chips in it, just like the photo. Here's a tube of the Jinbee Ivy Fix Gel in the tube version. It's the same product as the container, but it has a tiny little tip for precision application around rhinestones and bigger charms. In this box is the Jello Peel Off Base Gel that's been all the rage at the moment. Look how pretty this packaging is. Next is the Kenzico Aurora Gel Top, which is a magnetic silver holographic gel that transforms any color into a rainbow cat eye. Then is the Chemi Blooming Gel for cheek nails like this photo, and the Jinbee Ivy Gum Gel for foils and small charms that need a sticky base. So I've seen a lot of Korean nail artists use Deco Gel actually for bigger rhinestones and charms as opposed to a gel glue. So I just wanted to try these and see if they last any longer. I also got a hollow transfer foil for subtle nail art and a stamping gel plate that specifically got for the houndstooth stencil. Next, I wanted to try this brand of nipper because it's all I see artists in Korea using at the moment. It's the Shiny brand Modern Long Nipper. And you can see in comparison to my current favorite nipper that the difference in spring type as well as the length of the handles. If you take a look at the jaws of each, you'll see that the blades of the Shiny nipper are actually much smaller than the one on the left. So I'm super excited to try these. I also got this adorable little cat paw nipper protector. How cute. Lastly is the silicone table protector from Summer Peach. This is going to save my tabletop, you guys. Next is a package from Zillabeau. We all know Zillabeau, one of the largest suppliers of Korean nail products in America. We love them. They sent us some gel samples, and I've got the F Gel base and top coat, as well as the orange syrup gel from F Gel as well. It's the perfect deep amber color for tortoise shell designs, which is why I got it specifically for this kind of look. Then I got this big ass magnet for cat eye polishes. And here I have the Jinbee Ping Pong Ivy Pastel Collection. Spring is quickly approaching and we all love pastels in the spring, so these are just perfect. Of course, with any collection, they always send a swatch card for display, and just look how adorable this packaging is. I could not bring myself to throw it away. Next, I have the biggest package from Sweetie Nail Supply. Based in Canada, Sweetie Nail Supply is a huge supplier of Korean gel products and tools. I loved my shopping experience and their super quick shipping. I actually had 2 boxes for this order and you'll see why soon. First up is the Yogurt Nail Hwayang Yona glitter set. You can't tell me this isn't the prettiest thing you've ever seen. It's a 9-color set where each bottle is a syrup textured gel with gold and iridescent glitters. Insane. Look how pretty these are, you guys. I'm so excited to use these. Next up is the Jinbei Mermaid Cat Eye Collection. It comes with a pretty pink dual-ended magnet and 6 cat eye glitters. You can see the swatches here to the left, and I have a feeling I'm gonna be buying a lot more cat eye polishes over the next few months. I don't know why, I just have a feeling. If you've seen those videos on Instagram of artists mixing a powder with their gel polish for 3D art, this is the product. It's the powdery Embo powder from Show Me Korea. You can use it to create so many different designs. I'm so happy with this purchase and I cannot wait to use it. Next, I wanted to try this D-Gel Clear Gel. It comes in a convenient pump dispenser. I believe you can use it for extensions and overlay as well as for encapsulation, but it's just a basic clear, like hard gel type texture. Also from D-Gel, we have the D-Gel and Ginny Painting Gel Collection. It is a 14 color set and it comes with 1 clear gel for mixing, I'm assuming. I'm so excited for these. Look how pretty the packaging is, first of all. But look at the pigmentation of this painting gel. I'm jumping out of my chair. Cannot wait to use this on somebody. And finally, y'all, perhaps the most exciting purchase of all, I got the Show Me Korea Gold Label 100 color set, which is why my order came in 2 boxes. I wanted to start my collection of polishes with a 100 color set because it's a great way to get a wide range of colors and textures, and it just looks so darn pretty when it's displayed. First of all, the packaging is chef's kiss, but when I started taking a look at the actual product, I was blown away at the pigmentation and texture. I know these are going to be a dream to paint. The first box seems to be all the brighter colors, and the second box is the more muted and darker colors. Y'all, just look at these colors. I am so excited. They are so beautiful. I could not be happier with this purchase. I can't wait to swatch all of these for you guys. Along with the 100 colors, they sent me the Show Me base as well as the top and a matte top coat. And of course, they sent the swatch board. And so that concludes my purchase from Sweetie Nail Supply. I definitely recommend you check them out if you're looking for some Korean gel products. Next, I've got some bits and bobs from AliExpress and Amazon. Those were lint-free wipes, some transparent heart charms, and nipper covers. And here we've got a 6 color chrome powder collection. I also went ahead and got some multicolored teddy bear charms for spring. And some jewelry pieces I plan to use for ring nails. These are so pretty. Here I've got some seashell pieces for nuanced nail art. And I also got some big ass gummy bear charms. And lastly, I got a book to house all of my nail sticker sheets for easy access because it can get pretty messy when you have like 10,000 sheets of stickers. So that concludes this haul from Hae Nails, DANJI Nail, Zillabeau, and Sweetie Nail Supply, as well as AliExpress and Amazon. I hope you all enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe for more Korean nail content and follow me on my socials. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.